Unit 6, Chapter 1, Alphabet Song. Listen, repeat, read, and sing. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jumps and jogs. K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. M makes mistakes, N needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled in rows. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van, W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and U. Z says zigzag zoom, hurrah, we are through! Say the letters from A to Z and fill the missing letters. A, B, C, D, E. O, P, Q, R. F, G, H, I, J. Listen and tell the next letter. M, N, J, K, N, O, V, W. Listen and tell the letter before. A, B, L, M, R, S, Y, Z. Choose any letter from A to Z. Write within 2 minutes at least 5 words which have that letter. T, tiger, tent, 10, toy, table. Make up meaningful phrases or sentences by using words which begin with the same sound. For example, big, a big blue ball for baby. Green, green grass is great for goats. Cold, carrot and cucumber are cold. Dogs, dogs dig in the driveway. 8, eat 8 eggs in the evening. Write the words starting with the letters given in the cards. A. Apple. Ape. Angry. Age. G. Goat. Grass. Green. Game. Frame meaningful words using the letters given. Name. Great. Sit. Game. Rise. Man.